How to get $150 Fashion Nova discount code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Fashion Nova discount code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Fashion Nova. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $20 off, 50% off, $90 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, copy it. Then click on redeem at Fashion Nova. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Fashion Nova. This way, you can easily get $150 Fashion Nova discount code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.